Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here, and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, but it's time for New Year's cards, and this stamp set is brilliant. It's called Champagne Celebration, and I just love all the sentiments and all the images on there. I'm using some powders that I'm going to spritz with water, so if you have some powders, grab them and let's create together. I'm using my glass board and some watercolor paper, and I'm just going to be spritzing some color so you could easily listen to music, watch a video, a movie while you are just playing around with color. And I am just trying to use some colorful powders here, and these are some mediums that I don't use too often. You can use distress inks as well. It will be so much fun just smushing on color. So I thought it would be a fun and a brightful card to send after the holidays. So and you can send New Year's cards, like, I don't know, you can probably even send them throughout a whole month of January, February, anytime, because it's a brand new year, and it's just fun to get a New Year's card. And I use this light pink, although I don't really see it too much on my card. Maybe you do. Later I will show you the final product. I did want some more green and orange on my card, so I did end up putting those powders again on my table, and there was so much ink that left over that I didn't want to waste, so I did make another panel there that I have off to the side that I will share as well. So, and I just, here's the other panel, so left over. And then I'm going to go ahead and stamp this swirly champagne bottle. I did use a silver sparkly ink for this bottle, but then I changed it because I wanted a gold bottle instead. And I did stamp the bubbly, but I also changed that as well. So I just wanted you to see this bottle in different colors. You can easily add the cups and the glasses and the bottles like a frame, stamp them at the ends of each of the panel there, and that would be really pretty with all kinds of colors. And so here is a gray and silver bottle and bubbly that I am going to change. And I will also stamp the bottle here, or not the bottle, the glass. I wanted the glass with like a teal color. I think it's pretty. It's one of my favorite colors. And so here is where I'm saying I'm going to change that bottle and bubbly. So here it is, and I like it. I thought to stamp it off to the side, the bubbly. I thought that was fun. You know, when you take the top off of the bottle and it just splashes open sometimes. And this is a tweed cover plate that I really love. And so, and then I used a rectangle die to cut that bottle out and bubbly, and then I fussy cut the glass. And now I'm just stamping some stars that are in the stamp set with gold and silver ink, and I thought that was really fun for a background. And I do like the white space too that I left on there, because white space is a little hard for me, so I did like that. And then I added foam tape to the back of the glass now, and then I will just apply that next to the bottle. And here is my sentiment that says Happy New Year. And you can also add some numbers if you wanted to do the year. And I will just cut that and add some foam tape to the back of that sentiment. And now I am just trying to make sure that my background is glued properly because it's watercolor paper. It's a little warped from all the color and water, like all the powders and water. So I will use a stamp block as well. And then I will apply my sentiment. And it will be on the glass here, and I decided to add some foam tape. And it got a little dark in my room, sorry. And that finishes this card. So isn't it fun? I love all the colors, and it's such a fun New Year's card. And so thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful New Year.